everyone, I'm currently in Doha Airport and I am just waiting for my next flight to Penang. I left this morning from Gatwick and I am on my way to meet my family. My great aunt just turned 105 and it's going to be really fun to see her because I haven't seen her since I was younger. Also, my grandma is one of 14 children, so it'll be really interesting to meet the rest of the family. This isn't a normal airport. I've never been to an airport that's got luxury cars, but hey, it's really cool. Look who's here! Hello!
Hello, I got my new bag.
Your new bag. Look at this. Wow. On the way to the Spice Garden.
Tropical Spice Garden.
Tropical Spice Garden.
In Penang. Garden.
Take
Garden.
three. Take three.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers! Got some pad thai. Got some pineapple fried rice, which Dad loves.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Tom yum soup and some sizzling bean curd.
Some drinks.
Daddy, you drop your phone? What's in there? Ew! You nasties. Oh, there it goes. But look what's behind him. Oh. Ew.
You know they love me.
We're being hunted. There's so many butterflies here. It's so pretty. So Asia went back to the hotel by herself, and look what she did.
Caught in that.
restaurant, and there are tons of fresh fish and crustaceans here, and it's just really interesting. I've never seen anything like it.
Look up.
Oh. That's weird. So we just finished dinner and we are actually gonna go to McDonald's for dessert. We got tipped off by a cousin of ours and they said that that's the best place to have a durian flavored ice cream or McFlurry. So we're gonna try that. Hopefully it's good. Haven't had McDonald's in a really long time, so we'll see. Oh no, that's not a good reaction. We just got a durian McFlurry, which is like the fruit of Malaysia, and it's very stinky. You're not allowed to like bring it in some hotels and stuff because of the smell. It's very, very strong. So this is my first time trying it. Here we go. Oh no. We're going parasailing right now. Yep. Everyone's here. There's not a star in heaven that we can reach. How was my driving?
Terrifying. Terrifying. Here we go.
We are going to see my great aunt today, and I haven't seen her since I was little. It's going to be interesting. Hopefully she recognizes us. Oh, there she is. There's my great aunt. Where are we going now?
Getting some ice kachap. I don't know what it is. Some ice thing.
Some ice thing.
It looks good.
Ooh. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, that looks good. What do you think?
I didn't get mine yet.
Oh.
There's no such thing as sharing.
Oh my god! What? Wait, Dad went in the water!
We are going to check out of this hotel and we are going to go to a different hotel, which is in Georgetown, where most of the town's located because we're in a resort right now. This is our room. That's my Uncle Audie.
Hey.
Some pho today. This is my first temple experience. What do we have to do?
Take one. Suck it from here.
I'm gonna try it.
You gotta try it.
I'm here for it.
So Adrian and I are trying to learn how to floss. What's this?
Wheelchair.
That's called a cat daddy!
Nay nay. I'm such an old lady now.